Hey, we're gonna draw a mouth using some simple shapes. Start with 3 circles that overlap just like this. When we draw the upper and lower lip lines, we're really gonna follow some of the curves that we see in the circles that we drew. We're gonna start by drawing Cupid's bow. That's located on the top of the upper lip. We're gonna now work on the outline of the lips, and you can use really simple shapes that will help to support you in drawing this form. You also can use some simple proportional rules. For example, it takes about 4 of those circles to fit across the width of your mouth. When we're shading, let's use those circles that we drew to guide us in placing shadows and highlights. We'll focus our shadows on the bottom of these shapes and our highlights on the top. Layer and blend that graphite ink that you're putting down and really try to keep a nice gradient that goes from light to dark. You can keep adding more layers of graphite or pen and ink or even other colors as you work to add more depth and richness to your shadows. I like to layer cool and warm colors to build shadows, but you can achieve a very similar effect, again, with colored pencils or by adding up your own pencil layers to create that depth. You can use your eraser to lift out highlights, especially in the center of the 3 circles where light will be hitting our lips. Now when I'm working in Procreate, I like to build the core shadows up at the very end. Those core shadows are going to be located along the crease of the mouth and the corners. I'm just going to add some sparkle, a little pop of color, and some final highlights. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share.